video or picture?
Yes, I'm videotaping. This is Caleb, and he's standing at the back of a rocket engine. We're going to walk around to the side.
Solid, and it looks kind of scary looking at that. It's kind of scary to know if it's gonna go or not. But this is the engine. You can power it up any way you want as long as it has fuel. But they took out the fuel so it won't turn on. See, I think these are like little buttons to push, or well, these are lights to tell you that it's on and that's off. Hi! Again! Hi! No! And this is my favorite engines. Like both of these engines are my favorite, and it's a perfect a rainy day to look at rocket engines and other rockets. That is all. And please put this on YouTube. This is Caleb again. So, if I'm sure I want to get one of these lights filled up, nope.
This is a picture and a display on Redstone Arsenal of 3 different rocket engines, and we're at the George C. Marshall Spaceflight Headquarters.
Hi, Mom and Dad, or whoever's watching this, and this is Caleb Bond. Please enjoy this video. So, I want to make sure that these are not